Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the music volume in the Life and Suffering of Sir Brante. Let's begin by opening Settings. In Settings, locate the Music volume bar. On this gauge, select the music volume. Of course, with it turned all the way left, music is turned off. Turning it all the way to the right is music at 100% volume. Simply adjust it to your liking. Once you are done, simply press the back to the main menu button, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.